Oh, blown. I make a wish again. Anong wish mo? I wish that for good health. Ano?
And I wish Lola Paz is still okay in heaven.
Okay. You wish Lola Paz is still okay in heaven? Yes, of course. What else? For you. What's your wish?
And I just think I like.
You wish to? Ano?
I just like a baby girl. I want twins.
You want twins? You don't like baby girl? Sabi niya kanina, I want a baby girl. Umaga, yung sa unang cake niya. Ngayon, I don't like a baby girl. I want twins. Okay. Sige na, you blow your candle na.